How to link to Google, Facebook, or guest account in Doomsday Last Survivors. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Linking your account is super important. It protects your progress and lets you switch devices without losing anything, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside this game section, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner, and from the Commander info section, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Account, and under Account, click on Change Account, and go ahead and select the login methods. If you've just started as a guest, you'll see options such as Bind Account, but if you'd like to sign into Doomsday Last Survivor with Facebook, then choose the Facebook option to log in. Now you need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. Type in your Facebook account's phone number or email and the password and allow necessary access, and you'll then be able to link Doomsday Last Survivor with Facebook. The game will then restart with your saved progress. Now similarly, if you want to go ahead and join in with Google, then go ahead and get back to the same account settings menu, and in the expanded menu select Google and follow through the instructions. Enter your Google account's credential, make sure to choose a Google account if you have multiple Google accounts, and follow through the on-screen instruction. Make sure you type in the correct credential, and when you see this pop-up, click OK, and your game will restart with your chosen linking method. So that's how you can easily save your progress in Doomsday Last Survivors with Facebook or your Google account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.